guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Genie Coder, and today we have a pretty interesting topic that we're going to be talking about. So we're going to be talking about how to get started with coding, guys. So this is a question I get a lot from a lot of different people, guys, and I decided to make this video, right, to help them out and hopefully help others who may have the same questions, guys. So learning how to code can be very rewarding, guys. So whether you want to learn how to code to create your own crypto, or trying to become a blockchain developer, or you're trying to get into this whole metaverse thing, right? Or you're just, you want to create your own website or apps, or you're trying to become an entrepreneur, or just trying to transition into this career field, right? There's a lot of different things you could do with coding, guys. Because of that, guys, learning how to code is a very lucrative skill to pick up in 2022 and onwards. So today I'll be showing you guys how to get started on that path. So first things first, guys, you need to start learning about the fundamentals. So we talk about variables, for loops, functions, classes, object, pretty much the fundamental topics, guys. So to get you ready so you can move forward, guys. So there's a lot of resources for that to help you out online on that, guys. So you could either go to YouTube. YouTube has a lot of beginner-friendly resources online that can kind of help you and get you up to speed with all those fundamental topics, guys. So you could go on Coursera, Udemy, right? A lot of those courses, right? You get a lot of beginner-friendly coding tutorials to coding courses to kind of help you with that, right? And you can also go to W3 Schools, guys, which is a very good resource that I use myself. It gives you you could pretty much say you want to learn Python, or you could go on there and you could pretty much go topic by topic, guys. So you could either go to, which is my personal favorite, which is the Free Code Camp, right? Which is a very, very good interactive platform. You could go on there, right? They have the lessons organized for you, so you could digest all of those different topics that they have, right? You know what I'm saying? And then you could go on there and then you could learn about the topic, and then you could use their editor that they have, right? You could start coding right away on the platform, which is what I really like about it, right? And then get to see exactly if your code works or not, right? So learning those things in a bite-sized manner, right, and be able to digest them, right, it's gonna pretty much be a very, very good way to learn, especially when you first start out. It's a very, very fun way of learning how to code, guys, because it's very interactive, right? And then, guys, another course thing that I recommend would be the Harvard course that they have, right, the CS50, guys. So it is a very great course for people that want to get serious about programming, guys. So I would recommend that course as well. So pretty much a good combination that I would recommend, guys, would be for you to choose the Free Code Camp, right, when first start doing that, and then transition to the CS50, guys, by Harvard, guys. So this will be a great combination. You will learn a lot by doing those things together, guys. So now that you're done with learning about the fundamentals, right, so now the next thing for you guys to do is for you guys to start doing projects, guys. So a lot of the resources that I talked about earlier actually have projects associated with them, right? Because projects are extremely important, guys, when you're doing when you're learning how to code, guys. I'm saying that's when you learn the most, guys. You could watch all the tutorials that you want, right? If you don't get really to apply them, right, in actual real world projects, guys, you're not really gonna understand what's really going on, guys. So so what I would do, guys, I would advise you guys, pretty much just say, depending on the industry that you will get into, right, I will look up beginner-friendly projects on that particular industry. Right? Say I want to get into embedded system, right, I will look up embedded systems beginner-friendly projects. How I want to go into gaming, right, I will look up gaming beginner-friendly projects, what I'm saying, or also web development, right, which is what I would recommend you guys get into, because it is in high demand and it's easy to start with, right? So, and there's a lot of resources online for that, right? And it will look up web development beginner-friendly projects, right? And then look that up and then you start doing those projects, guys. So as you're doing those projects, guys, what I would recommend for you guys to do, right, you follow them, you do them, right? And also, guys, make sure that you modify the projects, right, when you're doing them, guys, so that you can actually learn the most, right? Because if you see something, if you code something up, right, what, try to change it around a little bit, right? Try to give it a different color, or trying to give it an additional feature, right? I'm saying, just for you to really, really get the most out of it, right? I'm saying, because by changing the stuff, right, that's when you learn the most, guys. You get to see, oh, this is why exactly something is working and why something might not be working, right? So you know exactly what's going on in the code, and you're just blindly just coding out, you know, because they told you what to do, right? So change it around a little bit and make sure so you can know that, you know, exactly what's going on in the code, guys. But yeah, guys, so things that I recommend, guys, I would know for you guys to have a consistent schedule, guys, so which is very, very important, guys. You don't want to do it once a month, guys, and because you will forget everything that you learned and it's not going to be fresh in your mind, right? Because you want to keep it consistent, right? So pretty much try to do it every day, guys, at least every other day, right? Do it several times a week, guys, so everything could be fresh in your mind and you could learn the topics, and for you to kind of, for your brain to kind of piece the puzzle together, guys. So it's a lot to learn at first, right? Especially if you have no coding experience, right? It's going to be a lot, right? So have a consistent schedule and stick to it, right? You know, you're going to run into a lot of roadblocks, guys, and that's going to be normal. I'm saying everybody went through it, so it's kind of normal, right? So when you encounter a problem, guys, what you do, right, you need to look it up on Google, right? That is a great skill to start developing, right? Because, you know, a lot of becoming a developer, knowing how to Google stuff, right, is a very, 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 it's a crucial skill to learn, guys. I'm saying, because it's going to be very useful as you know, we could become a developer, right? So StackOverflow is a great website for getting help with errors, guys. So this is what the pretty much all developers, you know, they use to kind of help them with the whatever problem they're issuing, right? You can go on that website, right, and ask whatever problem you're running into or and whatever you're trying to do, guys. So they're very helpful there, and yeah, it's a very great website that I highly recommend, guys. So I would recommend you guys to join a community, guys. So pretty much you can go to Facebook groups, right, and find groups where people are actively learning how to code, guys. So being in those kind of community, guys, can be very beneficial, guys. Pretty much you can find like-minded individuals who are eagerly, you know, interested in learning about coding, guys, and or working towards that as well, right? And then pretty much you guys can get together and help each other out and help each other on different topics. So I'm saying, and then you could teach those topics that you think you've mastered, right, and try to explain it to them, right? And then when you try to explain it, you'll see that you or have some gap in your knowledge, right? And then you're gonna go look that up and you're gonna learn it, right? So, and you're gonna solidify, right? So teaching others can be a great way to help solidify concepts, right? So make sure you really understand it, you know what I'm saying? You really know what you're talking about, right? So getting into a community, right, can keep you motivated as well, right? So you can continue going forward, right? So you guys keep each other accountable, and then you guys don't lose hope, and you guys continue on this pretty much long journey, guys, what I'm saying. So have the right mindset, guys. So you can't expect to become very good at programming overnight, guys. So it is a marathon, and it is a journey, guys, what I'm saying. So have fun and relax, what I'm saying. You will get better over time. Everybody struggles at first, and it's perfectly normal, guys. So because there's a lot of new concept that you're learning, so it's gonna be difficult, guys. So you're not going to learn everything there is to know, right? In this field, you never stop learning, guys. So new technologies come out very often, so you will always be learning new stuff, right? So hopefully you guys found value in this video, guys. You guys can go ahead and get started on your journey to start learning how to code, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.